So, because of the emotional nature and psychological demand of forex trading, there are some times you are not supposed to be trading. In this forex space, we basically focus much on strategy, money management, and all of that. But one critical aspect of trading that we most times don't talk about is knowing when to trade, knowing when you're in the right state of mind to trade. Guys, there are some times you're not supposed to trade at all. For example, whenever you're angry, like maybe somebody did something to you, you're not just in a good mood, that's not the time to open your chart and look for setup, guys. Because there's several possibility that your trading judgment, the way you see the market might just be compromised already. You have to be in the right state and frame of mind before you open your chart to analyze the market. Another time not to trade is you don't want to trade when you are too overly excited. You get the point, because too much excitement might just make you not to see what you're supposed to see in the forex market and just take false setups. You're getting the point. Another time to slow down a little bit when you're trading is when you're on a winning streak. Now, this is one aspect that most of us will always fall victim to. Anytime when, let's say, you're on a winning streak, you've had like 7 wins in a row, 3 wins, 4 wins in a row, you should slow down a bit. That's not the time for you to double up or increase your lot size. That's the mistake most traders make. You would be like, my strategy is invincible. This I own the market attitude begins to come into plan. Before you know it, you might just end up blowing your account. So you should study your frame of mind per time before you do your market analysis. Don't just take trades anytime you feel like. You don't want to take trades when you're in transit, for example. There's a way you can not handle your trading activities. It becomes an addiction, and that's not the right thing to do. You don't want to be at that spot whereby you're driving, you're analyzing the market. Maybe you went to the market to do something. When I mean market, now not the forex market, your normal market where you can go buy groceries, or maybe you're in a supermarket and you're doing analysis and all of that. That's not the right time for you to trade. Because trading involves money, you should as well treat it as such. Take it like a serious business. So I think the best time to trade is when you have a balanced and calm mindset. When your psychology is balanced, you really don't have much bothering you. I think that's the best time to trade. Yeah, your ability to strike the balance at the time matters a lot. Being in the right state of mind is all that matters in trading. Yes, you don't want to be too excited doing your market analysis. You don't want to be at the flip side also. You don't want to be pissed off with yourself, and decide to take a trade to calm yourself. You would most likely enter a wrong setup, enter a wrong trade. So I just thought to share this experience with you, because I've had so many experiences whereby maybe I'm angry or I'm just bored. For example, some people see trading as a hobby. Trading is not an hobby, it's a very serious business. You don't want to start trading or start looking for setups when you're bored. The market will give you setups. The forex market is never tired of giving setups, and that is why people are blowing accounts, because they are actually seeing something. You get the point? Yes. So you don't want to pick up your phone or open your laptop to look for a setup when you're bored. You want to trade because it's time to trade. It's time for business. That's the only time you should open your chart to trade. And once you're done for the day, close that laptop down, shut it down. Close, if you're trading on mobile, close the app. That's the best way to learn discipline in trading. Know when to scout for setups and know when to stay away. This is one way for you to improve on your trading journey and be a profitable, consistent forex trader. I know this video will help somebody out there. My name is Michael. I'm documenting my journey here on YouTube. If you're yet to subscribe, please do also subscribe to the channel. For my returning subscribers, thank you very much, guys. I so much appreciate. I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.